Hey guys, welcome back to another product video for this new B30 5G cell phone. This is going to be an unboxing video and a product overview. So let's get into it and let me show you what it comes with and how well that this works and all the features that it has. So when you first open up the box, you have your phone right here. So you can see how well that this phone looks. This has a 6.7 AMOLED FHD plus curved display. This has a 2400 by 1800 resolution and 394 ppi for vibrant sharp details. This has a dragon tail front glass and a gorilla glass back and a sleek diamond black finish. So you can see how it looks. Here's the back. It has 3 cameras here. So you can see the 3 cameras. It has 64 megapixel main, 8 megapixel wide angle, and a 2 megapixel macro lens. So it has a flash right there. The front camera is 32 megapixel. This is your power on button, your volume up and down button. Here's the charger, USB-C. Here's the speaker, and this is where you insert your SIM card. So also it comes with a USB-C charger. It has your power block, and it also comes with this case. So it's a clear case made specifically for the phone. So this package comes with everything that you need to start using the phone right away. So let me turn it on for you. You can see how bright the screen is, and it shows the battery levels, Wi-Fi. So the performance on this phone, it has the MediaTek Dimensity 7050 chipset, 8 gigabytes of RAM, plus an additional 8 gigabytes of extended RAM. This has a octa-core up to 2.6 gigahertz with 256 gigabytes of storage. So you can hold a lot of photos and videos and even a lot of apps on this phone. So let me show you how well the camera looks. You can see the camera app right here. Photos, videos. You can set up the AI capture button right there. You could turn on HDR. You turn on the flash. So when you switch it to video, this takes 4K videos with 30 frames per second. So let me show you how well this takes a picture. You can zoom in. So you can see the picture quality is very clear, very sharp. This phone has all-day battery life. It has a 5,000 battery. It includes a 30-watt fast charger adapter, and it can reach 50% charge in less than 30 minutes. The operating system is an Android 14, and it comes with Google Gemini, and it has Google Photos, Magic Editor, in-display fingerprint lock, NFC, Wi-Fi 6, and it has the cutting edge experience also. You can see how fast the processor is. It opens up apps and runs everything smoothly.
Hey guys, welcome back to
you can see how clear the video looks and how the speaker sounds nice and clear. The screen is very responsive. You can edit videos using your favorite editing app. So you can see how well this phone also plays games and how fast and how smooth the game loads. That the game loads and how clear the screen is, how bright the colors are, and how responsive it plays the games. So you can see how well it plays, how smooth it is. If you're interested in buying one of these, I'm going to post a link in the description, and you can buy this from Amazon.com.